Okay, hi. So Ita, this one is like, for example, we know that, what is this? We are finding the angle AE. We are finding the angle AED. AED is this one, okay? Now
Okay,
we must
teacher.
know that this is a square. They will give the information, but I'm giving information here. This is a square. Square will have every angle 90 degree, and then every angle 90 degree and all the sides equal. Okay, when all the sides are equal, and also you have an isosceles triangle here. Isosceles triangle means all the angles are not isosceles, sorry, equilateral triangle, not isosceles. Equilateral triangle
Okay,
is here because all the sides are equal. Therefore, it is each angle will be 60 degree, right?
yes, teacher.
Now, since this is 90 and this is 60, how can you find out that small part here, which I'm marking in red?
180 minus
Not 180.
90
From
minus.
where you are getting 180, Sohita? There isn't anything about 180. This is 90 minus 30 minus 60.
Teacher, but I think that I need to minus with 180.
Excuse me, please listen.
Okay, teacher.
There isn't anything related to 90. This is 180. This is 90 and this is 60. 90 minus 60 will be equal to 30. So this angle is 30.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now this is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because this side and this side equal. Therefore, this angle and this angle also will be equal. All right?
Yes, teacher.
So either I'm also on recording. Okay, so you don't ask me like unwanted questions. Like, I mean, you can ask, but you think when asking. Now see. Now this is isosceles triangle. So 180 minus 30, how much I get?
180 minus 30 is equals to 150.
Very good. So 150. 150 is this angle plus this angle, right?
Yes, teacher.
So that is for two angles. So I divide this by 2 to find for each angle, right? So if I divide by 2, how much it will be?
2 divided by 50 is equals to 25.
It's not 50, it is 150, Sohita.
Oh, sorry. Oh, no.
So it is equal 75. So our angle is equal to 75.
75.
So this is equal to 75. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.